Hello, this is Scott Truesdale with MarineMax in Brick, New Jersey. We're here to take a look at a recently listed 2022 320 Sundancer. She was custom ordered in the Kingfisher teal color with many desirable options. Notice we have a Simrad radar upon boarding. Gray C-deck, snap-in C-deck, which is removable. This boat was also ordered with an electronic awning. To starboard, we have a cockpit refrigerator and grill, which looks never to be used. That converts to a workspace and freshwater sink. This boat also has cockpit air conditioning. Large wraparound seating and a cockpit table. Up the helm, we'll notice dual screens. Lenco automatic trim, spotlight control, digital throttle shift with joystick, and this boat was also ordered with a bow thruster. Moving forward to the bow, sea decking continues. Windlass with stainless steel anchor. We have a remote fusion stereo head. Moving down below into the cabin, you'll see bow seating with table that converts into a V-berth. Vizio television. Mid-cabin contains two separate beds that do have a filler that fills in for a full bed. Microwave and refrigerator. And large head with vacuum flush. Should you have an interest in this boat, please give us a call here at the Brick Store. Phone is 732-840-2100. My name is Scott Truesdale. We would be happy to help you. Thank you.